Even the man I came with them and again and taking a palm no abekwana moza can say abasi my being on any mama udo ya delonya bana. Yeah, video Reverend Ejike Mbaka. Mbaka abukwa muna agwa. Right from beginning on man at this channel mama. You will never see me drag any but also see me hitting on social media. Maybe that you will never hear me saying I'm selling Mbaka. It is not in my nature. Because I'm neha guji maybe bekadia nambo. Yeah, Mbaka is speaking about healing. Okay, a little bit about his story. Because cancer we kuyeku. Onyo bona say na healing ada na ekpele na mother dey receive healing. Or chukwi mother. I'm a living witness. So I'm a living witness of how God can heal people. Atago. Monobri hama bebe kube bobafa. Healing onwe hebona. Go funa a situation na agafego. Go funa this situation na agafego. I always tell people on the mom of my own. And I'm on a very good day, I will still say it. Na situation funa na this thing abro ihe paracetamol ko jabe antibiotic. Abago reject it. It only takes the grace of God for somebody to still be alive till today na ikuoku anu nwanne today. So na Mbaka bia wo lo onwe example am so people na drag ya na social media. Say Ijoka we to us. What shall it profit Mbaka at this age bia na to us about healing? What shall it profit Mbaka at this age, at this level? Maybe na to us about healing because this is a reoccurrence here na afunanya just like football onye na agba ball. If they say no we goal or ya afoketa ko yegu. Or but again na some goals here be score or again no. You can only call that thing from impossible angle. That doesn't mean that goal am angle. But I could be also believe this is his field. That anything can score goal. Obuluzi onye no into the system. Onye mwakwasi na okay nekwa ka ihe anu nwasi aga. So ndị mmadụ na-ekwu okwu Mbaka sometimes and asị Mbaka the thing na agbagoju mind. I am not against you following who you want to follow, support who you want to support, but I still maintain my stand. Touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. It's still a stand. Because by na serve mass na church only go na go say you are a priest forever. A priest like Melchizedek of old. If you go your Bible very well, man, Melchizedek only appeared 2 times in the Bible. One na first na Old Testament and secondly na New Testament. Yotago, at first he appeared as a priest, as a king from the ancient city of Salem, which is called the ancient city of peace. Then appear in the life of Jesus Christ as a priest out of the order of Melchizedek in our altar. So when somebody is singing of a priest, I'm not against you. You will never hear some things from my mouth. You will never. Let the judgment be for Onyo Jafia Emeya. That is why on this platform you will never see a video where I criticize any man of God. I will never. Because I am stranded on Owa or church na but I'm church na Makudonya. I'm not even their member. And I will not forget watchman. I'm a lot of people do to now church Kalizino na my able watchman. Watchman, they accepted me and my colleagues and a Kuzuku assemblies of God. These are some of those things why in our serve of God. You don't know how God is going to pay you back. Like I said, I say that you will reap what you sow, not where you sow. So you can sow in London and reap in Nigeria. You can sow in Nigeria and reap in Lagos. The most important thing is that you can reap here. Because you come my walumma, you can kojo, you will kojo ya. Yotago. So no nature video for Mbaka na wakabanaro. Shia ya. Wacha kwa no ko ham nono. Ko de numbers and the buy.
St. Anthony. The Lord of St. Anthony of Padua is the Eucharistic Jesus. When St. Camillus of old was ministering to the sick, he became the patron of the sick, St. Camillus of Lelis. His secret of miracles was the Eucharist. The Eucharist for him is the viaticum. ha erie ha nara ọgwụgwọ nsọ. Mana onye a mechazịa nwụọ o weta ndụ ebe ebe. St. Camillus was busy attending to the sick with the Eucharistic power. Ka ọ na-enye ndị mmadụ oriri a ka a na-anara ọgwụgwọ nsọ. Gị nwa ga-anata ya taa, ọgwụgwọ nsọ sokwa gị n'aha Jizọs. In the days of St. Camillus of Lelis, he was ministering to the sick, and the sick were receiving healing through the Eucharist. And I pray that we who shall receive him today shall be impacted with the nourishing power, nourishing healing power of the Eucharistic Jesus. I used to be sick almost every day. At the time, my father lost hope. Even while I went to the secondary school, he was expecting that one day I'll be brought home dead. Most of the times when we go to the farm, my father will bring me home fainted. And he said that was how all my former brothers died. For my father had not less than 5 boys before me, and I didn't know any of them. They all died. And I became the only son. My healing testimony came when I received the Eucharist. It was at St. John's Church, Abogugu, in my JS2. The day I will never forget. My encounter with the Eucharistic Jesus. My experience with the healing Eucharist. That is why when people begin to talk rubbish, or them come but 24. Because they will not understand. I'm talking from experience. The Eucharist healed me. Before I left the secondary school, I have an open side here. Every day I was in pains. That day I received instant healing. I pray that today you will receive instant healing. I never knew I would be a priest then. But I promised Jesus, any opportunity I have, I'll be giving this testimony. May the Lord grant you miracles that will enable you to be giving testimonies. What we are celebrating is not just the body and the blood. Each time I just say Children's Day, after 3-4 p.m. Mchezoze 9 on Ogu. Oh, we can play 3 a.m. na St. Vincent's. And I woman made us Jesus. It's just some kinds of sin of Granata, Mama. I'm a living testimony. That's why I don't like hearing people preaching against miracle. Because I'm a mobile miracle. I'm a pragmatic miracle. My life is demonstrating that the Eucharist is real. I'm a Eucharistic person, even before I became a priest. I could remember when we went out as in Nuku for at the local cultural dance demonstration. I was brought home unconscious. Ejike Mbaka acrobatic. How God healed me. That day I received the Eucharist. We say, Chineke, obono ezie na ino na achicha. Gwono mori, anu nke isi agwondo ya. Ogworom. Oga agwokwa gi. I've not come here to do an exegesis about the Eucharistic body and blood. I've come here to preach a simple message that the Eucharist we celebrate has all it takes to heal the sick.